Hi, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. We are in Manchester, New Hampshire, where we've recently installed a special pool deck for one of our customers. For this installation, our customer chose the rubber epoxy system to put over their pool deck. The rubber epoxy system is great underfoot. It's soft and durable, so no more scratches, bumps, or bruises if you fall down. One of the greatest benefits for the rubber epoxy system is the fact that the rubber will stay intact if the pool deck moves. So if you get any cracks in the concrete, the rubber epoxy system will be able to bridge that gap. Going with a professional installation by Granite State Epoxy allows you to make your own custom blend. We have over 25 colors available that you can choose from that perfectly matches your home. With over 10 years of experience installing epoxy flooring systems, give us a call today to get a professional installation for a rubber epoxy system on your pool deck.